Namaste, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a high growth SDET role in Pune that most developers ignore. But this one can seriously boost your career in fintech, so don't skip this. This opportunity is from Modular, one of the fastest growing payments businesses in the UK and Europe. And here's the key part, you'll be working in the embedded payments domain, which is one of the hottest areas in tech right now. Now think about this. While many developers focus only on coding roles, companies today are heavily investing in quality engineering and automation. And that's exactly where this software development engineer in test SDET role stands out. You won't just test, you'll actually guide how systems are tested, improve automation frameworks, and work on real production level systems, which gives you a strong technical edge. In this role, you'll be part of a cross functional agile team solving real problems, not just following instructions. And your responsibilities include developing automated tests, reviewing code for testability, analyzing failures in production, refactoring tests using the test pyramid model, and supporting debugging and issue resolution. So you're deeply involved in the development lifecycle. To be a good fit, you should have experience in automated testing in an agile environment, knowledge of Java or any object-oriented language, and experience testing AP is like REST or SOAP, along with hands-on work in automation frameworks and BDD tools like Cucumber or SpecFlow. If you also understand payment systems in the UK, US, or Europe, that's an added advantage but not mandatory. The company operates in a fast-paced, high-growth environment, so they are looking for someone who is curious, adaptable, detail-oriented, and passionate about learning new technologies with strong problem-solving and teamwork skills. You'll be working with modern payment systems, APIs, and global platforms, which gives you exposure that many roles don't offer early in your career. And here's something important. Modular follows a collaborative squad-based model where you actually influence decisions, share ideas, and improve systems continuously, so your impact will be visible. Plus, they strongly focus on diversity, inclusion, and personal growth, making it a great workplace culture. So if you're someone who wants to move beyond basic testing and enter high-impact automation and fintech systems, this is a role you shouldn't miss. The application link is in the description. Go apply now before competition increases. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for daily job updates and comment below if you have any doubts. I'll help you out.